To install the OneFit car seat with a vehicle seatbelt in the rear-facing position, begin by storing the latch anchors within the latch anchor storage compartments. Place the OneFit on your vehicle seat in rear-facing position. Make sure it is not blocking the vehicle seatbelt buckle and that the base is lying flat on the seating surface. Then squeeze the recline adjustment handle and pull forward to adjust to a reclined position. Check the bubble level indicator. Make sure the bubble is between the two lines on the label for rear-facing installation. Readjust the recline as necessary. Make sure the overhang beyond the front edge of the vehicle seat does not exceed 3 inches. Route the vehicle seatbelt through the blue rear-facing belt path. Guide the vehicle lap shoulder belt under the seat pad. When routing past the crotch strap, ensure the seatbelt passes in front if the strap is in the rear position, or behind if the strap is in the forward position. Pull the seatbelt down through the rear-facing belt path opening on the opposite side of the OneFit. Buckle the seatbelt. Push down on the OneFit and pull up on the shoulder belt in a vertical direction to tighten the lap belt. While still pulling, slide the shoulder belt into the lock-off. Always use the lock-off on the opposite side of the seatbelt buckle. Pull the rest of the vehicle seatbelt out and put it into lock mode. You should no longer be able to pull out any slack. Hold the OneFit at the belt path and pull side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch from the vehicle seat back or side to side. Make sure the bubble is still between the two lines for rear-facing installation. If necessary, loosen the seatbelt, readjust recline, and repeat installation steps to make sure the OneFit is installed properly.